can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin Maker. Over the last 1 week, Maker is up 12%. Over the last 24 hours, we have seen a 9.8% increase in the price of Maker. Maker currently trades above $1,600. In this video, we'll look at Maker US dollar price chart on a weekly time frame. Is a new all-time high possible? How high can Maker go in the coming days and coming weeks? We'll also look at Maker's performance against Ethereum. Can we get to new all-time highs? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. We're seeing fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants can't decide, are we pumping to the moon, are we dumping to Goblin Town? At the same time, altcoin season is around the corner. How will that affect the price of Maker? We'll look at Maker's market cap. We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Maker, with a market cap of $1.4 billion, currently trades around $1,600. Over the last few years, we've seen Maker get to as high as $4,000. That was in March of 2024. A lot of altcoins had huge pumps in March of 2024, but since then, Maker have faltered to deceive. Instead of Maker continue pumping to new all-time highs as many market participants envision, we have seen Maker retrace from that $4,000 level. We have seen Maker dump back to as low as $868. A 78% decline. That's very usual in the cryptocurrency market. If we look at Maker's price history, we'll see that it has a lot of pumps, it has a lot of dumps, but eventually all things work together for good if you can buy low and sell high. We saw Maker in 2018 first pumping aggressively. From when it was launched around $22, we saw Maker getting to an all-time high of $1,700. That was in 2018. That was when it rallied up by more than 7,300% in just around 350 days. But then every good thing comes to an end. Altcoins can be very volatile in both directions. Yes, you can see those altcoins pumping to the moon. You're singing Kumbaya, we're all happy. But then again, those altcoins could easily dump aggressively to Goblin Town, sending us down to the bear market. And we saw Maker dumping in his first full crypto bear market. We saw Maker losing around 89% of his value in the process. After that dump to Goblin Town, a lot of market participants thought it was going to zero. That's what happens in the bottom of the bear market. You hear it's going to zero. At the top, you hear it's going to the moon. You have to be level-headed for you to catch those huge swings. And you're one of those level-headed individuals that bought some Maker during the COVID sell-off. You got some Maker around $182. And when the 2021 bull market ended, you saw your investment up over 3,000%. Because Maker went to a new all-time highs, you saw Maker trading for as high as $6,000 for the first time in its price history. And since then, it's been hard to go back to $6,000 since 2021. We have seen Maker lose another value, lose a lot of its value in the bear market. This time around, we saw Maker dumping by 92%. These are normal occurrence in the cryptocurrency market, guys. If you want to make money long term, you have to be able to stomach huge drawdowns. At the same time, you have to be able to control yourself when those big pump arises. Now, after the bottom of the 2022 bear market, we have seen Maker go on a tear. We've seen it rally back to the $4,000 level, pumping by more than 685%. But the $4,000 level is proving to be very difficult. We got rejected there. I believe we're going to rally past it the next time we can get to that $4,000 level. Right now, Maker is up by 224% from the bottom of the bear market. For us to get above $4,000 level from where we're currently trading right now, we need to see Maker pump by more than 145%. And if we can rally above that $4,000 level for us to get to new all-time highs, we need to see Maker pumping by around 276%. And these percentages might look high, but in the cryptocurrency market, that's just 7 days of pump. That's just 7 days of crazy price action. And as we're expecting altcoin season, guys, is when altcoins go parabolic. You see double-digit gains on daily time frames, triple-digit gains on weekly time frames. Things can actually go crazy. Now, Bitcoin dominance usually dumps when that's happening because new capital entering the cryptocurrency market skips Bitcoin, heads straight to the altcoin market. That new capital is heading for straight return. They want to get those big pumps. And where are they going to get those big pumps? in the altcoin market. So I expect to see Bitcoin dominance dumping. At the same time, I expect to see altcoins going parabolic. I expect to see Maker joining in the party. Let's look at some details about Maker with a market cap of $1.4 billion. We have seen Maker over the last few years pump aggressively. They have the huge rebrand. They have rebranded to Sky. So in case you're looking for Maker, you cannot see it, just look for Sky. That's the new brand name for Maker. The all-time high came in 2023, rallied for as high as $6,300. Right now, Maker is down 73% from its all-time highs. If you want to get some Maker for yourself, you can do that on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Maker right there. Sentiment in the cryptocurrency market is neutral. The bulls and the bears are battling it out. I expect sentiment to improve over the next few days and the next few weeks. And if we start heading to extreme greed, we start heading to that greed territory, we'll be seeing altcoin season. Altcoin season, guys, is when 50%, 75% of the top 50 coins are doing better than Bitcoin over a 90-day period. Historically, when that happens, altcoins will be having a great time, but that usually is the end of the market cycle. And I'll be expecting big whales that have made huge profits in Ethereum to flip those profits back into the altcoin market. Maker is one of those places those profits will end up in. I'll not be shocked to see Maker outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum by about 200 to 500% over the next few days and the next few weeks. One thing to put in the back of your mind, guys, is the good time doesn't last forever. But the higher we go, the more market participants want more. The higher we go, the more you hear calls for profits. Don't get deceived. The good times will last forever and everything will eventually come crashing down. So the higher we go, the more you take some profits off the table. That's why we're paying attention to Maker's market cap chart. In 2021, we saw Maker's market cap getting to as high as $6.4 billion. But since 2021, the highest Maker's market cap could get to was around the $3.6 billion level, where we got to in March of 2024. From where we're currently trading right now, for Maker's market cap to rally past that $3.6 billion level, we need to see it go up 160% for it to rally past the $6.5 billion level. We need to see around the 362% move for Maker. And that can happen. That can happen very quickly. The end of the previous market cycle, we saw Maker going from where it was trading right now, around the $1.4 billion valuation level. We saw it getting to $6 billion in just 98 days. The most gains are made at the end of the market cycle. A lot of market participants are going to sell too early because they are too fearful, or they are going to buy the top because they are too greedy. Remember, guys, to plan your trade and to trade your plan. Drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Maker going in the coming days and the coming weeks? Is $6,000 possible? Is a new all-time high possible? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more. Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.